Hi, welcome to Data Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the end of data engineering and data science. This was a question that people used to ask me in the recent days. So today I am going to explain you, is there an end for this data engineering and data science? So the answer is no. Like we had initially the web application world, and then the mobile application world entered into picture, and then based on that people created e-commerce products, and parallelly people built social media products. So the new tech stacks and new products are entering into picture. For example, now the futuristic products which is in the pipeline is blockchain, cryptocurrency and metaverse are the futuristic technologies that people are telling, and they are in the queue. Like Mark Zuckerberg said, 5 to 10 years it takes time for us to reach the entire metaverse to end all the people in the world. Not only Facebook CEO, every other small companies to big companies, people started building this metaverse and the combination of the blockchain and cryptocurrency, all those stuff. Now this is the futuristic technology and the products which is going to be launched. But any futuristic product or the existing products you take, for building such product, what is needed is data, right? So data is something which is required for everyone and for everything to build the product. That means when there is a data, I have to do data processing, manipulation, testing, lot of stuffs on it, right? So and I have to do some analytics where I need data science, AI, ML and all those stuff. So that means the answer is no. There is no end for data science and data engineering. And people are not worried about data science but data engineering. So many people used to ask me, is there an end that gonna come for data engineering? No, there is no end for data engineering and data science. So only one thing I wanted to tell you is, for example, in data engineering, I'm a big data developer. So what I need to focus for the futuristic stuff, right? So in the big data area, is there any technology that get an update or upgrade? Only on that I have to focus. So that is the trick that you have to follow, which will be very helpful for you. But instead, don't think that the data engineer is gone or big data is going to end or data science is going to end. No, it's not like that. Just there will be an update and you have to capture that update. That's it. So for the people who have not entered into the data engineering and data science, for you I'll tell you this. So if you want to enter into it, just keep that as a goal. That's good. And when you are entering into data engineering, for example, if you want to pick up big data, so you want to enter into big data or data science, okay, whatever it is. So what you need to know, you just need to know the current trending things that is running on that domain. That is what you need to know. For example, you are jumping into big data, you are migrating into big data. Just you need to focus on what is the trending tech stack which is running inside big data by the time. Just focus on that. That will be enough. Even for the people who's already there in data engineering, I'm telling you the same. So you just don't want to have all this panic stuff. Don't think in that way. There is no end for this data engineering and data science and the related technology of the data engineering and data science, for example, cloud computing and all those stuff. So there won't be any end. But you need to be updated in the domain. That's very important. So thanks for watching, because any product that you build, you need a data, right? So that is what the key point here. So thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please do subscribe channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. To get all the data engineering, especially big data related videos, I have posted the playlist link in the description box of this video. You can have a look, and I have shared my LinkedIn and Instagram URL in the description box. Thanks for watching.